is a virus. Basically, virus and living cell is very much different. It looks almost the same, but it's different. Different in a way, a virus is actually a non-living particle. But of course, it's being argued by scientists because non-living, because it's just like a dust. It floats in the air, it gets settled down, and it dies off eventually. But why is it arguable in the scientific group of people? Because if this virus actually catch hold or latch onto a host cell, means a live cell, like what we have in our body as human, animals, the problem is this virus can start to actually affect our live cell. Okay, later I will share with you how it infects us. And this virus, it has a genetic code, DNA, just like our cell, all the programming inside this code. All right, it has a genetic code, and actually it mutates over time. So virus is not only a virus by itself, it mutates. So today, if we find a vaccine for one particular virus, through time, it mutates. It changes to a different form of virus and a different characteristic. Okay, all right. So therefore, let's look about how a virus infects us. Okay, first, if you look at number one, the virus will have to attach to a host. Eventually, it actually invades the host cell. Okay, with this, the virus actually uses our cell's component, our live cells resources, the mechanism to replicate themselves. Okay, it's very smart. It uses because in a live cell, we have all the mechanism, all the resources, because in our human body cell, our cell actually grow, consumes energy, and gets divided into producing new cells and so forth. That is how our body actually grow. Okay, this virus will latch on, utilize the component, the resources in the cell to duplicate itself. Okay, so in stage number 3, you'll notice it starts to replicate and it reassembles back into many more virus. Okay, and eventually, once the cell structure has been consumed, it actually breaks down. So after the cell breaks down, then all these viruses actually get released out into our organ, within our organ. And that's when you will have further infection, you have more cell death, and eventually our organ will also damage. So with this, if one of our organ is not functioning at all, basically it brings death to us. Okay, that's why you see people dying from the virus.